Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. It's been a while, you guys, since I loaded a video. YouTube has been acting up, so I haven't been able to load a video, but I am going to try to upload at least 3 videos today. And my first video hopefully will be these cute little coupon booklets. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. These will make great gifts for your loved ones, male or female. And they are pull out. So they pull out. Easy. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create these booklets to make them be able to be pull tearable. So let's begin. I already have my coupons printed and cut. And I also have my booklet cover printed and cut. This is cardstock. I recommend either cardstock or some thicker photo type paper. And this paper is the same paper that I use for my treat wraps, which is the HP Premium Color Copy Paper. Today I'm going to be using tacky glue. You can use wood glue or I think it's called PV glue to create the tearable effect. So you're going to take your coupons and you're going to flush them together so the edges are good. And now you're going to take your tacky glue and a paintbrush and you want to glue just the edges here. I hope you can see that. And you want to cover it all in glue. Then you want to take some paper clips or something to clip your papers together to hold them while it dries. This tacky glue doesn't take too long to dry. So I have paper clips and I'm going to just clip here and clip here. Now we wait till it dries. Just make sure you have it all covered. I have to add a little more. Now we just sit and wait till it dries. See, it's dry but not fully dry. It's just a little tad bit sticky. You can still work with it that way, or you can wait till it completely dries. It doesn't matter, just as long as when you touch it, no residue is coming on your finger. So now you're going to take your cover and you're going to flush it even with your coupons like this. And then you're going to close it over. You can remove your paper clips or whatever item you have holding it together. And you can see mine was still just a little too wet. I don't know if you can still see it, but it'll work. So you're gonna take it and then just crease it so you know where you're gonna add your glue. And you're gonna take your paintbrush again and your glue and just add glue into your crease. That's a little too much glue, but it's okay. It didn't get directly in my crease. I got it a little on the back cover, but it's fine. Now you take your coupons, make sure they're flushed and even, and you go ahead and you close it off. Now take your paper clips, your clips, or whatever you're using, and clip them. Until your item is dry, and then it should come out looking like this. You can put your coupons in any order you want. You can do whatever. I created these coupons myself. You can create your own coupons, or you can purchase my coupons ready to be printed from my Etsy shop. I will post the listing in the description. But these make great gifts for Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, any day. One gift, many gifts. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, so you can see more items when we create them. Thanks again, and happy crafting.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving me things.